Hi boys and girls, I am Mrs. Boomsma. I am the purple classroom for first grade. Our lockers will be orange and they will have animals on them, so that's how you know you guys are at your lockers. I have a purple crayon in front of my room, so that's how you guys know that you are at our classroom. And when you come into our classroom, this is what it looks like. Over here is your classroom library. There are so many books that you will get to read this year in our classroom library. Parents, please make sure that your child knows how to get home on the first day of school. The first day, for a reminder, is the 24th. Kids, you guys will have an iPad and you guys will have lots of fun things to do when you guys get here. You can bring a water bottle if you would like. Our water fountains will not be working. I hope to see you guys soon, and I can't wait for this year.